specialty Mustang we haven't had in a while. 2007 Roush Stage 3 convertible Mustang. This particular car, alloy clear coat metallic, G5 paint coat on this one, with the silver stripe from Roush. Interior is a charcoal and silver leather. Would have buckets, 5-speed manual transmission in it. Of course, underneath the hood in this one, 4.6 liter Roush charged V8. That's going to have 415 horse, 385 pound-feet of torque. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, the engine bay, underside, be able to check out the Roush plaques, all the information on it. Yes, this is the real deal. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. Let you take a look at this front fascia. This car is a 3-owner vehicle. It's not been driven in inclement weather. A little over 100,000 miles on it. And you're going to have a few places where it shows a little bit. You can see there's a little bit of a chip in the silver stripe, a little bit of wear down lower on this fascia here. But overall, considering age and miles, nice looking car. These stripes do show their age just a little bit. Want to point that out to you. Now, this car has recently had the engine gone through, and there is receipts on this to the tune of about $5,000-$6,000, I think it was. And I can kind of hit on it a little bit what was done. Basically had the block rebuilt, new rod and crank bearings, heads were reconditioned, as well as the crankshaft, camshaft, gaskets obviously replaced, TTY head bolts, and more. And like I said, there's receipts for that. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the Jack Roush signature on the dash. Still riding on the Roush wheels. You'll be able to take a close look at those in the still pictures, as well as the tires. Be able to see the tread that is left. Radial tires are looking good on here. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here's your Roush Stage 3 badging, which of course meant it has all the applications done at Roush that you could have had between the aerodynamics package, the suspension package, and of course the performance engine package, and that's where you're going to get your supercharger. You can read up about it if you're not familiar with them. A lot of things they did with the sway bars underneath, spring rate, that type of thing. A little larger brake up front, as you can see. And you look up and down both driver's side and passenger side, you'll find a nick here and there, but overall, age and miles, car's in nice shape. Get it in and drive. The one thing, one of the technicians that drove it and did mention a little bit of a shifter chatter with it. And again, you can consult with the sales associate when you call in or email. We do fill out a checklist on the cars that the technicians go through. Styling bar or light bar, you'll hear that called. Power convertible top, and we're going to run that up here in a second when we get to the end of the video so you can take a look at that. It is a black vinyl top. And we'll start it up so you can hear it also. All right, let's take a look at the interior. It does have some of the carbon graphite style inlays, power windows, power locks. We also have a power driver's seat right here, and you would have power lumbar. That is working. More of the carbon graphite inlays on the dash, center console. This would have the Shaker 500 stereo system to it, AM, FM, CD player, steering wheel controls for cruise control, and of course a Stage 3 custom interior, kind of a charcoal and silver combination. Let's go ahead and start this up. Check the exact miles for you. Once again, Jack Roush signature interior here. 5-speed manual transmission. Dash, good shape. this car's been stored indoors. There's your miles, 125, 203. Nice sounding car. Let's slip around to the back so you can hear it running. We're going to pop that hood so you can see that too. There you go. Nice little rumble coming out of that 4.6. Again, Roush charged, 415 horse. Cars will move right along. And I'll show you the Roush serialization number 2. I'm going to show you a couple things on there so you don't have any questions when you're looking through the still pictures, or maybe you look through the still pictures and you're wondering about this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, you're gonna notice right there, no hood prop rod. Roush hood struts make it nice. Very clean, tidy engine bay, smooth running 4.6. And again, just got done with that overhaul, if you will. Here's the gentleman that originally custom built the engine at Roush, Lee Billing. Now if I come over here, here's the Roush placard. This is 0761. So 0761 obviously is the year for 07. 61 is a sequential number of Mustangs that this car would be serialized. So strictly Mustangs, 0761, and it's for this particular package. Now, you're going to come along this passenger door down here. You're going to see a little different number, and you'll see these in the still pictures too. You have 07, 03, 03, and you wonder, well, how can you have two different numbers? This 0303, that is of the complete run of all Roush vehicles. So that'd be Mustangs, pickups, anything that Roush would have basically customized that year is off that number. This one up here is strictly the package serialization number for the Mustangs. All right. It's a nice running, sounding car. Now, let me pause this a second. I want to run up the top. I'm going to shut up the hood and run that top up so we can check out the convertible top. Here we got the top up. Again, black vinyl. This one is in nice shape. I don't think it spent a lot of time up or in the sun. It does not show much wear at all. Rear glass window, rear defogger in it. Nice tight fit, and again, nice shape. Shows very well in this car. Don't see any wear holes, rips, tears. All looks pretty darn clean. Look how nice and tight it fits. Everything looking good there. Lightly smoked windows. Wanted to roll the windows up so you could see that, which looks nice in this car. So there you go. If you're looking for a Stage 3 07 Roush, take a look at this one. Actually, number 61 of the Stage 3 Roushes. Nice convertible, 5-speed, Roush charged. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call it or email.